Welcome to this next set of videos. These videos are related to the retirement assignment. This assignment is designed to demonstrate using a number of tools, several lookup tools, the financial tools, and also data tables. So this first video will just basically introduce the assignment. So we're working with retirement planning, and hopefully this could be a tool that you could at least do some rough estimates on your own retirement if you're interested. So first we have the workbook, which again, the tabs of the worksheets overall document is your workbook. So the first worksheet I have here is just a simple illustration. So these colored in boxes are for data entry. So the first one is a estimated even monthly payment. The next box is a annual interest rate. We need to convert that to monthly rate for calculation since we're determining monthly payments. This is the age, in this case 36, when you would start making payments or contributions rather into a retirement account. This next box represents the retirement age, projected lifespan. So the between ages 65 and 90 would be when you'd be making distributions from it. That is calculated in this cell to be 25 years. Over in cell E6, we have this is just a future value calculation that determines, based on these current facts, the amount that would be in the retirement account. And in the next cell down, we have a payment function that determines the monthly benefit or monthly distribution from the account. So then, in the next worksheet, so the only problem with this calculation, those numbers are accurate, by the way. The only problem with this calculation is that you have to have faith in the formulas, right? You don't see the numbers being calculated, so it's harder to have faith in it. So let me make sure these are equal. Let's pop that down to 400, 450. Yeah. Okay, so this next one does the same thing, although it's not. If you look in here, this is a lookup function and not a future value function. The payment functions working the same. So what we have here is actually retirement schedule. And what we're doing is going up, and so it calculates the amount in the account each month. Let me get this over here so we can. There we are. So this schedule is designed to be able to hold any situation from birth through age 100. And I know that might seem peculiar, but it's basically designed even broader than retirement. So if somebody put money in an account for a baby when they're born, or you can start making contributions at any age and then contribute on whatever time period you want to do it in. We have a column here in column C that says stage. So if you look over to the right, if you think about it, you have 4 stages. One is pre-contribution, so it's however long you're alive until you start making contributions to your retirement account. So that's stage 1. Stage 2 is a period where you're making contributions into your retirement account. Stage 3 is when you're making distributions, and stage 4 is the time period where you stop making distributions. In this case, your projected age at death. So the way this spreadsheet works is your contributions over here, they come in only when you're in that stage 2. Distributions come in only when you're in stage 3. And it's designed so that you start, in this case, making contributions at age 36. And then distributions start coming out, in this case, at age 65. And if we did it right, then it should zero out at age 90. If you look here, it does zero out exactly. So that means we've done it correctly. So what we're going to do in the subsequent videos, we're going to have one where we walk through a series of steps to build the spreadsheet, build the schedule, and dropping the formulas in and so forth. And then we're going to do some data tables on it so you can compare different scenarios all at once. You're not you could compare situations. So you could change this 4 to 500 or 7 to 6% or 7 to 9% and kind of see the results. But one of the nice things with Excel is it provides data tables so you can see a number of different scenarios all at one time. So those are the things we'll be doing. In the next video, we'll develop the schedule, and the videos after that, we'll do the data tables. So we'll see you on the next one.